So there's this wall in the kitchen that it's like a wasted space. So I'm going to put a towel holder and a spice rack. So this one here, it's a bigger spice rack to hold oils or, you know, like this one here, bottles, bigger bottles. And then I have a smaller spice rack on top for the individual spices. See? Okay, first you have to drill a pilot hole, and then some screws that's on there. So there you go. I added a spice rack for the smaller ones, and then in the bottom is for the bigger one that would hold like olive oil and stuff. And on the lower bottom is the hand towel holder, hand towel bar. This kitchen doesn't have a place to put the towel, so I made this wasted space useful by putting in there, and it's will be more organized. Another tip that I'm going to do to show you is we have this little tiny bathroom, and so because if it's a tiny bathroom, there's very limited space for your makeup stuff. This used to be pedestal sink, and I replaced it with sink with cabinet, but it still is very small if you notice it. So my daughter has a tendency of putting her stuff on top of the toilet, and I don't really like that because anything that falls in there. So here's the solution. So when I ordered this from the website or online, this came in a set of 2, and I only used 1 in the kitchen. So I'm using this over here, so we'd have more space for her stuff. I always advise everybody and my children that toothbrush should not be exposed outside, especially small bathroom like this. It's right next to the toilet. I always tell them to put the toothbrush inside the medicine cabinet right there, so airborne bacteria is not going to your toothbrush. But this one here would be perfect for eye contact solution or lotion and stuff. Okay, so all done. So she can now put her stuff on there. She can even put her makeup in there. There you go. Perfect.